So welcome guys, now we will try installing this RetroArch emulator. So for that we will go to the RetroArch and we'll go to this download section. In this download section we will go to the platform which will be required for you to install. In my case it is Windows 64. So it is downloading. So as you can see, it is now downloaded. After you downloaded this RetroArch exe, now you try installing this one. So as usual, Windows operation of doing next and next. So I am installing in this D drive. You may choose your suitable location. So this is very important. If you need to install DirectX 9.0 C also. So the installation is finished. Let's open this RetroArch. So as you can see, we have this UI of RetroArch. And this we have different features of loading the component, loading the content core. So before we start, let's first change the graphics of this RetroArch. So for this you need to go to the settings and go to the driver and look for Ozone. So this is Ozone, some kind of theme, some kind of menu. So you need to change it to XMB, and for seeing the changes you need to restart again. So just close this one and start again. RetroArch. So now we have changed the setting of this. Now after changing the XMB profile from Ozone, you can see how beautiful the graphics it is, and it is somewhere similar line to the PS4. So next what we are going to do, we will install core and content, and we will scan the directory, and we will see where to put some files in the system directory and how to do this online updater. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and like and share. Thank you.